Hello friends, I just ordered some food. Yeah, look at here. I ordered Hanoi grilled pork, rice noodles and some spring rolls. Yeah, and we have the chefs here. Wow. Yeah, but it's super rainy here today in Hanoi. But it's always I feel like. So yeah, so now it's evening and I will start the day with some food. Or start the evening with some food, yeah. Yeah. So wish me good luck. Yeah, so here we have the food, noodle soup, beef noodle soup. Yeah. Oh, and here we have chopsticks. Oh. And here we have some spring rolls. I think I will have some sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce. Oh. Yes, so I paid 155 dong for this meal. Was a really good one. But it's super rainy, that you can see. Everyone goes with an umbrella or raincoat. I think I will go and find a beer or something. So maybe it will be a very short video. But yeah, this is some oil. Oh, here we have raincoats. Maybe buy one of these. Yeah, here a little bit more people. Hello. Yeah. No, no, it's okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. No, okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, yep. No, it's okay. Thank you.
Sir,
Hello.
hello, how are you?
Good, and you?
You're good?
Yeah. Rice ball. Huh.
Why not? Is it?
Yeah. And here you can buy a perfect t-shirt. I found some cool t-shirts before. But here we have Hanoi craft beer, Hanoi beer. Up here I was 2 years ago. Maybe in another video you will see me up top on top here. Yes, so it's more like maybe this one? No. Yeah. But here we have it. Maybe up there. But I want like a smaller place. Hello. Hi. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Like when you are in Sweden, you never go out when it's raining. But here, everyone is out. Yeah. Hello, massage. Yeah, maybe. Massage or a beer. Now it's looking more like a massage. Yeah. Oh, what do we have here? I will go around some, like a few minutes. Yes, I think I found my local craft beer. Yeah. Actually, I was here yesterday, but I will try this one today. If I can cross the traffic, yeah. No, maybe I will take the same bar. Oh, here we also have a bar. Yeah, this small bar I was talking about. Local craft beer. Micro, yeah. Just fine. Yeah, I think I will take that one. Or shall I take the other one? I think I will take the same as I did yesterday. Yeah. Yeah, so let's go for a beer. Yeah, wow. Yes, yes, yes. Hi. Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you. Can I have the Hanoi rice beer lager?
What kind you want?
I can take this one. Yeah, thank you. Oh yeah. Finally we made it. Yeah. Oh, thank you. So cheers and yeah, welcome to Vietnam. So 120,000 dong. I wonder how much is it for one beer? Can be quite interesting. Yeah, so one beer. One large beer, 1 pint. It's like $4.5 US. Actually not bad at all. Oh, so beer number 2, a small one. Yeah. Cheers! It was like a fruit beer, a passion fruit, I think. Yeah, 2 beers, 220 dong poorer. But yeah, it was a good day. It was a good finish of the first day in Vietnam. Yeah, so let's go home and sleep. And tomorrow we will do something else. Yeah, tomorrow we will find something more interesting maybe. So see you tomorrow. No problem. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Hi. Hello. Hello.